So I have a job to do here tonight, and I think this is about the 5th year I've been asked to do this, right, Leo? But before I get into that, I wanted to just have a little special surprise treat for Earl. This is my dear friend, Lura Ball. She was a mentor to a lonely 17-year-old girl who landed in Los Angeles, California from Washington, D.C., all by herself and didn't know anybody and was just there by herself. And she provided to me, Earl, the same love and attention that you provided to that young person so many years ago. One of the special things about Lura is that she is an amazing vocalist. And so I thought, as I was listening to you, and I begged her and I said, would you do me a favor? Would you share your voice with us for just a moment in honor of Earl?
I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength, only the face without a name for so long. But I never once heard you complain. Did you ever know that you're my hero and everything I'd like to be? I can fly higher than an eagle, with you as the wind beneath my wings. I could have gone noticed that you're my hero, but I've got it all right here in my heart. Oh, I want you to know that I know the truth. Yes, I know the truth, that I would be nothing without you. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And you're everything I wish I could be. Oh, I can fly higher than an eagle, with you as the wind beneath my wings. Oh, did you ever know that you're my hero? And you're everything I wish I could be. Oh, I can fly higher than an eagle.